afternoon, students. This is grade 1, your English grammar book, and today we are going to do the exercises of our chapter number 8, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. So these all words we had understood, where we have to use, how we can replace the other words, how we can replace the naming words with these words. Let's see the exercise today. Okay, so let's see the first one exercise, which is exercise A. Read these sets of sentences, circle the naming words in the first sentence, underline the word being used in its place in the second sentence. One has been done for you. So what you have to do is that you'll have to circle the naming words which actual word is in the sentence, okay, which will come in the first sentence, and then the second word which is replacing word like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, these kind of words. Okay, so we have a pet puppy. Puppy is a naming word here and it is a replacing word which is replacing puppy. Next is Sana does not like chips. She will not eat them. So first is Sana. Sana is a naming word. Okay, then the chips are also a naming word. Instead of Sana they are using she, and in the second sentence instead of chips they are using them. Okay, next is the t-shirt. The t-shirt, so the t-shirt is the noun here. Put it in the washing machine. So it is the replacing word. Okay, next is Mary and James are my friends. So Mary and James, these are the names now. So in naming words hai Mary and James are my friends. So they are from Goa. So they is the replacing word here. Okay, this is Hemant. Hemant is a naming word. In place of Hemant they have replaced he. Okay, he. Arjun and I. Arjun is a naming word here. Okay, and I is also a naming word here. Okay, and Arjun and I become we. So we is the replacing word here. Okay, this is how you have to complete. Next is complete these sentences with the correct words. So complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Use capital letters wherever needed. Okay, this is Anu. Students, after Anu this is a full stop. Okay, there is a full stop. This is Anu. Okay, then after the full stop the new sentence starts. When the new sentence starts, then we have to start it from the capital letter. Okay, so she will become capitalized. Okay, Anu, this is Anu. She is kicking the ball. Ajay and Meeta are at home. So Ajay and Meeta, we are talking about somebody who is more than one. So then we can use they. So Ajay and Meeta are at home. Again, the second sentence is started from here. So they will be capitalized. Okay, again the same thing in all the sentences you'll find it. This is Abhay. He is sitting on the chair. So he also will be capitalized here because there is a full stop. What color is the bag? It is purple in color. Hi Sajid, are you going to the park? So in this sentence, as you can see, I have not capitalized you because R is the first word here. Okay, R is already a capitalized word, so that's why I have written like this. Yes sir, I know the answer. Now always remember student, I is the pronoun that will always be in capitalized form wherever it is written. Okay, kahin bhi aap I likhenge, it will always be in capital letter. Next is exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Rohan. Rohan is a clever boy. For the boy, for Rohan, we'll write he. Isha goes to Priya's house every Sunday. So Isha and Priya will become they. My father walks up early. He goes. Okay, walks up early. He goes for a run every morning. I like the blue fish. It has a long tail. Okay, blue fish, it. My mother lives in Kolkata. She visits. Okay, she visits us during the holidays. This is how you'll have to complete this one. Write the correct sentence and cross the incorrect ones. This one you will have to complete. So students, you have to do these 4 exercises in your book and notebook both. Complete this exercise, understand this chapter, and have a nice day.